There is a growing need among mid-market businesses to streamline their financial transactions with the latest technology that will enable them to facilitate faster payments and provide a better customer experience. Understanding this pressing need, Acumatica created an integrated payments capability, Acumatica Payments, that provides customers with an easy and accessible way to manage financial transactions within their ERP solution. Acumatica Payments dramatically streamlines payment processing, reducing errors, and increasing your operational efficiency. By seamlessly connecting Acumatica to financial and banking networks, our integrated payment processing capabilities enable businesses to conduct secure, compliant, and low-cost credit card, automated clearinghouse, ACH, and electronic funds transfers. With advanced features like click-to-pay links, a self-service portal, and automated accounts receivable processing, there's never been a faster, easier solution for integrated payment processing. Eliminate the cost and pain of integrating and maintaining third-party payment systems. Automate your accounts receivable processing by including recurring payments, prepayments for sales orders, pre-authorization for advance orders, mobile payments using the Acumatica app, and integrated hardware for taking payments directly from Acumatica screens. Reduce the time you spend managing invoices and payments. Automatic updates to the solution help ensure your payment system is always current and secure. Instead of using paper checks, your customers can pay with convenient click-to-pay links and manage their invoices with a self-service portal, facilitating faster payments and a better experience for your customers. Most importantly, reduce the fees you pay to your merchant account providers. Acumatica Integrated Payment Processing offers reasonable flat-rate fees and the flexibility of personalized rates that are attractive for your high-volume scenarios. Payments is just the latest example of how Acumatica's industry-specific business management solution is delivering unparalleled value and engineering solutions purposely built around the real-world needs of small and mid-sized companies.